What's up, you guys? It's Sifu, Amin, Jani here, and in this little video I just want to announce that I have created a brand new website. It's called Telekinetic Academy, and it's a free online community. It's got a blog that I'm going to be posting useful information on regularly, and there's got a forum section for you guys to discuss things between each other and share, ask questions and share knowledge. And there's a member section, and that's also free. It's all free. The whole site's free. The member section is so that you can see who are the other members of the site and make friends there and have private conversations with them even. So outside of the forum and blog, you can, make buddies on the site and, privately talk or whatever. So that's that. It doesn't cost anything, even though it says members. There's no paying. Okay? And then the forum and the blog too, to comment and to make discussions. That's it. All you have to do is sign up to the page. It's free. You just put in your email address and a password and you're in. And then you can start commenting and discussing stuff and making friends on there, adding friends and stuff. And what we like to the goal is what to discuss on the page is, and what to share is, all the stuff that's of course telekinesis is, obvious, but everything from telekinesis to lucid dreaming, all the kinesises, astral projection, remote viewing, outer body, healing, clairvoyance, telepathy, influence, attraction, manifesting, anything, tarot, all that stuff. We just get down and share and make a really cool community. So I'm hoping all you guys that are on my channel will go over to the website and jump on there and tell your friends to jump on there, and let's make an awesome, great community that has a big storehouse information eventually. Right now, it's brand new, like I said, so there's nobody on there. So you guys are going to be the first to get up on there and help me make this happen, hopefully. I would really appreciate it if you guys came through and started helping me make this an active community. I really appreciate that. There's also a training tab there. In the training tab, there isn't anything other than just the energy work and the brainwave meditation systems that I use every day. So when you go to that tab, it'll just if you click the image, it'll take you through to those other websites. But other than that, that's for only the people who are interested on what I practice and want to do the same thing, because I do the energy work and brainwaves, together daily. And just by the way, I do the brainwaves first and then I do energy work afterwards, and I like doing it in the morning just in case you guys are doing the chi stuff and the whole binaural stuff. Okay, so with that being said, other than that page, going to those other pages for the training stuff, just letting you guys know what I do, and it helps support me, because if you guys do go through there and sign up then to those other pages, then I make a little side cash. I can keep it, help me run this page, because it's whatever, it's free community. I'm not making any real money on that page on Telekinetic Academy. I would though make a small profit if you guys did sign up to those programs. And I do want everybody to do those programs, to be honest with you, because it would be a better world if everybody was more in tune with their energies and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? We'd have a better place if everyone was doing meditation and chi exercises. They'd be healthier, happier, and stronger, and a better place. And it'd be cooler too, because then more people, can do amazing things with that energy. Anyways, the community's free. Please go sign up. I know I'm repeating myself and making this video longer than it has to be. All I'm asking you guys is to go join the free community and start sharing. Alright? Have a great day. Thank you. And many blessings, everyone.